Hi Lawnies, I'm back from holidays, a couple of weeks. Went off to Uluru in the caravan, and that was really good, really enjoyed that. And I did my reno just before we left, and this is about 1.5 weeks in now. So this video is about the launch application that I did on week 1 of the renovation.
The backstory here is the TifTuf lawn hit its 1-year birthday on the 22nd of September. It's looking really good here, and it survived the winter really well. But as I do every year, I do a renovation, and I start off with doing the edging with the Ego stuff, and then I use the way bag products to bring the sward down using the rotary mower there. It's very good. And then after using the rotary mower, I get stuck into it with the way bag dethatcher, which really thins out the lawn and gives you a good result and makes it easier to mow as you go down through your sward. Then I bring out the legendary MowMaster R22G and use that to get really low and remove most of the material before scarifying with the legendary Scotty 46. After scarifying, I used the wave bang rotary to suck up all the material, and that did a really good job. And there was a lot of stuff. These are big days, that's for sure. And once I got the consistency that I wanted, I got into the aerating, which will really help air, water and nutrients get down to the root zone when it regrows. And after doing the aerating, of course, you do the top dressing, and I used the Lawn Pawn top dress available from Garden Grove, and that didn't take long, and we got a nice result out of that. After levelling, we put down our treatments, our soil weather and our organics, and then we also put down some fertiliser and water all that in for 20 minutes. Watch out for a future video, which I'm going to bring out once it's all recovered, detailing what I did from week to week. But now going back to week 1, this is what it looks like, and this is what we're going to do first, is our launch and root builder application, 50 mils each per the 100 square metres. Within the first week, you'll have some leaf showing, so the application will go onto the leaf and work straight into the system, and you've no need to water that in. When your lawn's growing in for about a week, you can do a bit of evening out your top dress, just thinning out some areas that maybe are a bit too thick, and even adding some sand to areas that still are a little bit low, but it still have some growth. So yeah, that's what I did before I did the foliar application today. And evening out that top dress exposes a bit more leaf ready for the foliar application, so that works well too.
The launch is a balanced NPK with kelp that is going to get through the leaf and into the system. No need to water it in. Fantastic for building up the condition post renovation. And as you can see from today's shots, I only did it 5 days ago now, is that it's really pumping it along, really making this happen. And I can't wait for the next couple of days to put down my charger application, which is the second foliar application after the renovation. And that'll really pump this along. I'll be pretty much 3 weeks, I reckon, and it will be ready to mow, I reckon. It's coming along really well, but I'll discuss more about it in that full video that I'm going to do in the future. She's looking really neat, really coming along well. This bit's filled in quite a bit. This bit here still needs to fill in a bit more. But it's getting there, it's all the fun of it. Hope you enjoyed today's quick video, and be sure to like, subscribe, do all that. It helps me grow, and it gets you notified when I do the next video. And there's going to be plenty more of those, so let's get your lawn on. See you later.